Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So, in a ways, we had a very bearish month last month. As you can see, October was very bearish for all the dollar pairs. I think at this point it probably is more likely that this is going to go down. Probably at least we test these lows before it really does go up. But we got to pay attention on shorter time frames because you never know. I mean, honestly, this could be a bear trap, especially with the U.S. elections, and it possibly could just go up from here. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it definitely looks like it's making a double three pattern. 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves up. You would expect that to lead to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down for like a traditional flat, like a regular flat. Or if it's like a WXY, which is a triple three, then possibly it would end up doing something like this. So keep all that in mind. Let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely do have a break and hold above structure finally. So that means that this whole move down, in my eyes, is most likely over. This move down is either what I think a wave A of a WXY pattern, so a wave A of Y, or it's a wave 1 of C. So that means that likely we're now in either a wave B or a wave 2, which the trading strategy is exactly the same for either scenario, which is looking for 3 waves up to a Fibonacci retracement, usually between 38 and 78% of the move down. Probably end up looking something like this over the next probably few weeks. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we're definitely breaking and holding above this structure that I've been talking about, which is great news. I'm already long on this, and I'm definitely going to be looking for more longs along the way. I would expect this first move up to be like a wave A, and then I would expect it to go down, make a wave B at some point, and then probably back up again for a wave C. Maybe all the way up to the 61, 78, 50%, who knows? We're just going to have to pay attention. And looking at the higher time frames, more than likely this is going to be a crutch into this move down, but we really can't rule out the possibility of this continuing the uptrend, which is why while we're looking for longs, we're going to hopefully be learning and earning whether this is a wave B or whether this is a wave 2. So let's take it up down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, now we got the breaker structure. I'm definitely looking for longs. I definitely would not go long now. I would only go long on pullbacks. So when it does make another pullback, I will definitely be looking for longs in an uptrend. Most likely we are either in a wave B or a wave 2, which the trading strategy is exactly the same for a wave B and a wave 2, which is looking for longs on these sort of time frames. Now be very cautious over the next few days. The U.S. presidential elections do start tomorrow on November 5th. Gonna cause a lot of volatility in the markets, and it could be some very random, very volatile moves. So definitely be careful. I personally am going to be looking for longs and holding on to longs and looking for more longs at the end of pullbacks unless the market tells me otherwise. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.